Ми прийдемо в усі наші міста, в усі наші села. Ми відбудуємо все, що зруйнували окупанти.
The CLS Ukraine Project is looking for partners for the joint work on the upcoming restoration of war-torn Ukrainian cities, industrial enterprises, other infrastructure, and construction facilities located in our country. The CLS project has several directions. The first direction is to provide all interested construction companies with the opportunity to implement an approach, the application of which makes the construction project transparent and efficient both in preparation and during construction and installation work. The private joint stock company CLS Project has developed the CLS system as an effective tool for managing medium and large construction projects. CLS enables us improving the efficiency of planning, management, and control over the project implementation programs. Despite the fact that the CLS software package uses a worldwide known approach based on BIM technologies and unified common data environment for the construction projects, there are no any analogs of the proposed software in Ukraine. Our system represents the following functions: the creation of the database of objects destroyed during the hostilities on the territory of Ukraine, and the analysis of information about the damage caused by current war, regarding the need of site preparation, regarding the feasibility study for the damaged facilities restoration as well as the proposals for the replacement of damaged or destroyed facilities. The CLS software tools allow to develop and implement the plan on the restoration of the territory and to perform preliminary financial and economic calculation to ensure appropriate actions are to be taken. Under the CLS Ukraine project, the software is free of charge for those facilities, the preparation for construction and construction of which will begin in 2023 and will be carried out on the territory of Ukraine. We realize that with an insufficient number of specialists in the country, the appropriate restoration is impossible. That is why the next main direction of the CLS Ukraine project is to help specialists with a technical education, engineers, who have lost their work due to the hostilities in our country. Since November 2022, CLS Project, supported by the Department of Organization of Professional Training in the Luhansk Regional Employment Center, has organized the training courses in effective construction management. The Ukrainian universities also take part in this training program. This work should be carried out jointly by specialists from Ukraine and specialists from Ukraine's partner countries. One of the goals of the project is to know how to use the Western approaches in construction management in Ukraine and how to work with the EU standards. The CLS Ukraine project, on the one hand, is aimed providing Ukrainian specialists with knowledge to implement an effective approach in construction management. On the other hand, to improve the mutual understanding between the Ukrainian and European specialists, it would be reasonable if our Western partners could gain some knowledge in our approaches as well. The level of the construction logistics software system is sufficient to organize joint work within the framework of the CLS Ukraine project between Ukrainian specialists and specialists from EU and US companies. The company, CLS Project, has developed its own training platform. Training is carried out online. The course of study is divided into theoretical and practical parts. The main content of theoretical knowledge is followed by performing the appropriate practical tasks. For everyone who wants to take this course, an individual program is formed based on his qualifications, the selected direction of training, the selected type of construction, and the level of skills. The training projects are used during the practical classes. Training projects are prepared on the basis of real construction projects. The training course program consists of the following main parts: project documentation management, supply control, planning of construction and installation works, subcontractors work control, formation and control of the construction budget, construction control, risk analysis, project management, construction progress monitoring. The result of the training is the acquisition of professional knowledge and skills in the construction organization and management, and the experience sharing resulted in the joint work of specialists from Ukrainian companies and specialists from partner countries. More details you can find on our website www.cls.software. Let's rebuild Ukraine together.